guys, welcome again, and now I want to show you how to use much color of adjustment in image menu. So you have two match color. The first must go to image adjustment. There is, and the second is masking match color. You can find right there in layer tab or layer window. Click here and there you can find match colors. So where there is photo filter. A photo filter works like a match color. So how to do this? Take a look, guys. First, I need to move this car, or I need to move these characters. Go to select subject, and next go to edit, make a copy, and let's see. Let's go to first one here, and now paste here like this. Select the move tool, so control the size, let it scale down and set here. So and now you must change the color of these characters to warm, because the background is warm or background looks like hot. You must go to layer, go to adjustment mask, and click here. Select the photo filter. Photo filter allow you to make much color with the background. Take a look. Here is the properties. Select the warm filter and change density like this. So take a look. When you change the density of this percentage, both layer will affect like this. So you must turn on the isolate layer. Turn on this button. Click here, and now your focus is just on character like this. Take a look. Change to 100% or change to 0. And now you must set into 30% to make much color with the background. So guys, this is the first step to using photo filter mask by clicking adjustment mask. And what's the next way? Delete the mask layer and go back to where? Go to image, click to adjustment and click match color. Click on match color and now select your background tool. So my target layer is layer 1. This is your target layer. So which source layer you need to apply the color on this character? I need to apply the source image is there. Let me find, not that one, this one. My source layer is this one. I need to apply on layer 1. So if you need to control the color intensity percentage, you need to control the luminosity. Just change the rate of the luminosity to control the brightness contrast, control the color intensity like this. And now you can see the match color with the background like this. So click OK if you agree. Now you can see the match color with the background, this character. But you can't control that match color from the layer, because you can't find match color adjustment into mask layer adjustment. You just control the warm and cool color for the matching using photo filter, but there is no match color adjustment. Okay guys, let's go to another example. I have another sample here for you. So this is the car. So I need to move this car from this white background to this image with match color. So how do we do this? Select the car by using select subject and wait for the result. So let's see, you have selected the all body car, but there is a little bit problem in selection. You must select the glasses too. So how to do this? Go to select quick selection and select the positive and change the size by pressing open and close bracket button on keyboard, and then hold alt key, scroll, zoom in, select the glass and move the car. Let's see, select these parts of the pieces of the car, change and select and select and select. So change more, a little bit small, hold alt key, deselect these places, hold alt key, zoom out. Let's see the other parts of the car. And now hold Ctrl plus C to take a copy and go to your another image and paste here. Press V, hold Alt key, change the size and set right there. Change the size, set right there. So and now how to apply the background color on the car. we call this merge color. Go back to image and go to adjustments, select the merge color. So take a look, your layer A is layer 2, but you need to apply the background color on layer 2. It means you need to apply screenshot 2023 this image. Click on source, find the screenshot. Once again click, let's see, first change and once again click. And now you can apply this background color on the car like this. Make little bit more darker and darker. Let's see. Make little bit more darker like this and click OK. So move the car right here. And now you can see. So let's apply the shadow. Looks more realistic. Right click on layer 2 and go to blending options and let's select the drop shadow. Move the drop shadow right there. And make size, make size and control the opacity like this. And let's click OK. Okay guys, and now you can see the car with the background looks like a realist. But in real you can see the car in blue color, but there you can see the car with much color. Okay guys, this is example of how to use merge color and photo filter with using adjustment image. So I have another example. Let me open another sample. So let's close all these images, click open and hold control. Let's select the ocean and let's select the can, select both. And now let's move the can to the ocean image. So go to select and select the subject and wait for the selection. Okay, let's control these parts of the image. Hold Alt key to clear that selection. Hold Ctrl plus C to make copy and go to image, paste here. Ctrl Z, go to edit, copy, go to edit and paste. And now you need to make merge color by using photo filter. You can use photo filter by clicking adjustment mask. Click here, select photo filter and now go to properties, make density more little bit hot or 1. Now you can use that photo filter to make merge color for your image or project. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This was about merge color by using adjustment image.